Welcome, student, to your under 5-minute lesson on Spanish vocab. My name is Easton Bliker, and I will be watching the time. Here we go. Anyway, so you're learning Spanish vocab. You're new. We gotta get into the basics. We got basic Spanish words. Now we have hola, which means hello, obviously. Adios, which means bye. Por favor, which means please. Gracias, which means thank you. After gracias, you say de nada, which obviously means you're welcome. Now to this other column, we have sí, yes, no, no. And then we have ayuda, which means help. Then we have hoy, which means today. And then we have mañana, which means tomorrow. So you could use these words in all different kinds of contexts and different just situations, like hola, just greeting someone from Mexico, be like hola, 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 hombre, senior brother or something. You have adios, bye, say goodbye to your hombre, adios, hombre. And you have por favor, please, maybe you want more water, and you're like por favor mi agua, please give me more water. And you have gracias, thank you, which, you just got your water, you want to thank the person who just gave you water, so gracias for the water. And then we have de nada, which means you're welcome. And then whoever served you your water with, they obviously say de nada. Next to this column, we have sí, yes, which means maybe someone asks you, in Spanish, someone asks you if you want to go to the park, you can say sí, so you want to go. But we have no, which obviously means no. So it's different though. You don't say it like no, like an Englishman or an American. You say it no. So if someone asked me from Mexico to go somewhere and I don't want to go, I'd say no. Then we have hoy, which means today, and mañana, which means tomorrow. Just basic, days, probably something you need to know. So anyway, last part of the lesson we have basic Spanish sentences. I've boxed in the basic Spanish words that we have learned from last time. So we have hoy es mi cumpleaños, which means today is my birthday. Then we have por favor espere aquí, which means please wait here. Then we have lo haré mañana, which means I'll do it tomorrow. And those are basic Spanish sentences. I wanted to write 3. This is going faster than I thought, honestly. I thought this might take a while. But I chose 3 because I didn't want to keep you in for long, so I can dismiss you fast. But before we go, let's just look at these again. I have enough time. We have basic Spanish words. Hola, hello, adios, bye, por favor, please, gracias, thank you, de nada, you're welcome. Sí, yes, no, ayuda, help, hoy, today, mañana, tomorrow. So, these are your basic Spanish words. And we already went over basic Spanish sentences, but I'll go over it again with you. Hoy es mi cumpleaños. Por favor, espere aquí. And we have lo haré mañana. So, there's your basic Spanish for today. This is my semester project. So, I'll probably get to do this again next year. But thank you for watching. You are now dismissed.